Hello, ladies, gents, and non-binary people and fellow stays. Our time has come. Our time has come. So I know I'm a little late, but better late than never. I just did my reaction to Thunderous. Na 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 na. And so now I'm gonna go and react to all of the UNVEIL tracks, 1 through 7. This is gonna be all in one video. Just keep it nice, simple, and concise. The first one is Cheese, so please like, comment, subscribe. Let's go. I'll also make sure that at the bottom you could go through the different chapters and just skip to which ones you want to listen to, or just listen to all of them because it's Stray Kids. Come on now. And if you want me to react really individually to different tracks on the album in full, let me know. Really, seriously, because I will do it. You just have to let me know. Track 1, Cheese, and let's go. Oh, what are those post-its? Ooh. What is... Okay. We're fine. They worked so hard. Imagine all this that had to get put into this.
Cheese.
I don't do dairy. Wait. Of course the looks, but oh my god. Look at that. Why is he saying look at them? There's more than that. Just look at them. I love the fact that this track is like boom, 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 cheese, cheese. So is Felix going to dominate on this track or parts of this track? Because we have that lower bass going throughout the entire thing. I'll find out. Oh, Bang Chan and he. So this is a subunit track. Let's go. Chains. Why we have chains? Oh, even. Why are they both chained on? I know I have chains on, but why do they have chains? Ooh, I love this. Okay, Jim Regimen. Oh, I like that effect. Ooh, I'm chained to a relationship? How ominous. Dun 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 dun. Like I'm dun 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 dun. So we're looking at ourselves. Are we holding ourselves back? What is the sound? It's like to get you alert. I'm alert. Let's go. So next up, we have track 3, Gone Away. And let's go. Aww. Oh my gosh, this is straight out of a show. This is for a soundtrack for some show. With the piano subunit, okay? Oh, that's a strong subunit. The Stray Kids doesn't have any weak subunits. That haircut is really fitting on that. Give me my vocals. Come on. Nope. Wait. It's already Come on now. How is it already over? How is it already over? the time and preparation that they're putting into this is just, they're giving us so much. They're giving us so much, and I'm soaking it all in. Ooh, next one's a summer vibe. I already hear it. All right, and oh, look at our freckled face king Felix, and go. Hey, hey. Definitely with a Caribbean island feel. Because that sounds like a steel pan. So beautiful. Come on. Oh. Ooh. Breeze blowing. I told you, summertime. Come on. Hey. I can't. I love the colors. We love freckles. It's just so vibrant. It's so happy. It's so playful. Summer ain't over. Summer ain't over. Summer ain't over. Summer ain't over. Ah. That smile, that face. Love to see it. Truly, an example of love to see it. Dun, 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 dun. I'm liking the direction that this album apparently is going. It's giving us all the feels. This is their second album. Oh, Domino. It's either going to be playful / a little bit serious, or it's just going to be straight up, haha, you thought, but we're going to hit you hard with the dun domino. Dun domino. Anyway, so let's go. Yep. How did I know? Come on. Hey, excuse me. With a tap, everything rap, get it. How you look so innocent and vicious at the same time? That flow, intensity. Oh, I like where he's placed his voice for that. Come on. Make something for us. Follow me, the domino effect. It starts with me, follow me, the domino effect. I love that. This is going to be one of my tracks. Domino. Hey. Oh, you better down. Wait. Is this the full track? We rewinding that right there. Give me the full visual now. I needs it. Let me stop. I play too much. I'm sorry. Oh Lord, that's just track 5. There's still 2 more. Okay, breathe. Get it together. Oh, they're going to give us a vocal. They're going to give us, the production is cute, but the vocal is what we're focusing on. I already feel it for track 6. Let's go. And start. Okay. Oh, look at them.
좋아했어
navy
미안
colors.
미안 좋아했어 미안
I'm sorry
Hey,
for liking
맘에
you.
들어 미안
We
미안
starting out with you with the
좋아하는 게
vocal?
죄가된다면
많이 좋아해서 미안 미안 티안으로 노력해도 다 티가
Feel that
났어 미안
resonance.
미안
Come on.
좋아한 게
나 참다 이대로는 안 돼.
First of all, can we just appreciate the fact that we had Felix sing in his strong comfort zone? Sometimes that's okay. Sometimes it's better that way versus, oh, we need to, show the versatility. So no. If my voice is down here, why do you want me to sing like this? I know it's for a fact, but come on now. So, okay.
것 같아 경기를 한 걸음 더 다가간다 이 한 걸음도 어찌나 어렵던지 마음으로도 오랜 시간이 걸렸지
근데 그 시간이 너무 길었나 타이밍이 아마 다르게 똥튀었나 가까워지기 위한
I
걸음
love how
나가지
it's resting
못해
on
벽을
bases.
쌓아버렸다는 게 너무 어이없다 내가 원망스럽다 네가 원망스럽다 누굴 탓해야 할지 몰라 원망 만들었다 그 벽을 허물렸다 내 마음만 무너져 그만 받잡으려다 제일 중요한 널 놓쳐 영화표를 건네면 마냥 좋아했던 너 이제 나도 모르게 부담까지 더해줘 그냥 보고 싶어서 둘이서 같이 보고 싶어서 핑계를 건네줘 친구로 지내겐 너무 예뻐서 친구로 끝내겐 너무 아쉬워서 끝내요 너무 아쉬워서 결국 맘을 폈네 너무 아까워서 친구로
I love the back and forth. Okay, Harmony.
너를 좋아해서 미안 좋아해서 미안 Hey 네가 맘에 들어 미안 좋아한 게 죄가 된다면 너를 좋아해서 미안 티안으로 노력해도 다 티가 나서 미안
Just sing from your heart. Express yourself from your heart. I almost said the Brady Bunch. I need to be stopped. I almost said the Brady Bunch. I need to be stopped. I need to be stopped. Yeah, I'm going to enjoy that. And track 7. Oh, what a journey, but it does not have to be over. Like I said, there will be more Stray Kids content, more Stray Kids performances, more Stray Kids shenanigans. So we have a lot. This journey really will never end. All right, track number 7, The View. And, so are we going to get an introspective track? Go. Yeah.
날리는 낙엽에 떠있지 파란 하늘 속 수영하는 구름 잠수 함께 속 내 눈앞에 보이는데 혹시 꿈은 아니겠지 그 정도로 예뻐 입도 뻥끗하지 못한 채로 그대로 월요부터 있었던 뚫린 듯해 답답히 막힌 어제와는 달리
Wow, really making sure he has space to breathe on that track. Yep, yeah. I feel comfortable, I like it. Yes, it is an introspective track. I knew it. See, I'm good at this. I like the view right now. Oh my gosh. The freckles. What does that say? Dreams come true? What is that? Where I go, I'll be okay. I like the view right now. I like the view right now. Hey. I like the view right now. All right, so as I said, please like, comment, subscribe. And I will be doing more Stray Kids reactions. Check out my past Stray Kids reactions. Make sure you go and watch my reaction to Thunderous. Please stay tuned for future reactions. And thank you, fellow stays. I didn't get dressed up like this just for nothing. I put in effort today. Let me stop.